welcome to Oscar's Tour Review. Today we've got Sneezing Panda. So what we do is we've got to get the panda.
Need 3 to 4 players it does.
It needs about 2 players to play. So if we get the panda out, here's the panda, and then we've got the stand for the panda. So we've got to put the panda on the stand.
We got an instruction.
We've got the instructions,
And we
so we can know.
And we got this.
We've got the
And one more, and then we
flowers.
have flowers, what he does.
What we've got to do is put the flowers all the way round.
Yeah, so you know
So what we have to do is we pick our own colour.
Yeah, and when the panda's gone, but if he sneezes,
when he
pick up again.
When he goes round, he sneezes, but he might not sneeze. He might go, but not sneeze. So what we've got to do on this one. Yeah. So what we've got to do. Got to quickly put him on before he sneezes. Oh.
He's sneezing. There
And that's what happens when he sneezes. So, let's have a go again, shall we? Let's go. Oh. Ready? Oh. Ooh, we almost sneezed then. Ooh. Come on, don't sneeze. Don't sneeze, don't sneeze. Oh. He sneezed again. Right, let's put some more. Ooh. Oh, what colour are you gonna be?
I'm gonna be
I'm gonna be blue. So you've got to put the red. So if you click the colour red, you've got to put all the red colours on before he sneezes. And I've got to put all the blue ones on before he sneezes. Oh.
Oh man!
Try again.
Come on!
Quick again. It's gonna get harder again. When it gets louder, when the speed,
When he
does his music,
and then if he does it, he might do it. Achoo! And then he might sneeze.
we've got to quickly do it because when he gets faster music, he goes really fast again. Oh, come on then, quick! It's gonna go even faster. Yay, we did it!
We won.
And that is Sneezing Panda. Bye guys.
Bye guys. Bye guys.